Hello guys, welcome back to the Solo Traveler. And today I'm really excited because I just got my new DJI Pocket 4 and tonight I'm taking it out for the first real test. I just left my home here in Dubai and as you can see it is already evening. The streets are busy, there are lots of people, cars, lights and movement everywhere. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of situation where I want to test the camera. I don't want to test it only during the daytime with perfect lighting. I want to know how it performs when I'm actually outside at night walking through a busy street and recording everything around me. So right now I'm just walking and filming naturally. I'm not using a tripods, I'm not standing still. I'm just holding the camera and walking because that's how I'm going to use when I'm traveling. The first thing I want to see is the stabilization. When you are walking through a busy street, there's always moment people are walking in front of you, car and passing, and you're turning left and right, and you are constantly moving. So let's see how smooth the footage looks. The second thing I'm really interested in the low light quality. Look around, there are street light shops, lights, car lights, and some areas much dark than others. This is a real good test for a camera because night footage can sometimes become noisy or lose of a lot of details. So I'm curious to see how the DJI Pocket 4 handle these conditions. Dubai at night is beautiful. There are so many different lights around you, buildings, signs, shops, cars, and I want to come camera to capture that atmosphere without making everything look too dark or too artificial. Right now I'm walking through this busy street and honestly, this is exactly what I love about travel. You don't always need a plan. Sometimes you just leave your home, take your camera, walk outside and see what happens. You might find an interesting street, a restaurant, a shop, a beautiful buildings, or just a real nice moment in that you will not have planned. And that's what I show you a real plus in a real moment. Not everything has to be perfect. Sometimes the best video or simply you walking around a city and showing people what you see. And Dubai is night is definitely one of those places. There are people everywhere, the streets are alive and there is always something happening around you. So I'm going to keep walking and let the camera do the work. I'm also interested to see how the camera handles moving lights. For example, the car moving toward me, the light behind me, and the all people moving around. When you are filming at night, these little things can make a big difference to the final video. So when I get back home, I'm going to watch this footage on a big screen and see how everything looks. And guys, I really want your opinion too. When you watch this video, tell me honestly, how does the quality look? Does the footage look clear? Does the stabilization look smooth? How do you think the camera performs at night? And do you think this is a good camera for travel video? Put your opinion in the comments below. I would really like to hear what you think. And if you have this camera yourself, give me tips. Tell me what setting you use for night video because I'm still learning and testing everything. This is actually one of the first time I'm taking this camera out like this and we are going to learn together. And if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to subscribe to Solo Traveler. I have many more travel video coming and I'm going to take this camera with me everywhere. Dubai is just the beginning. I want to explore more places, more cities, and more streets, and hopefully take you guys with me. So if you enjoy walking tours, travel ideas, camera tests, and seeing different places around the world, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video. It really helps the channel. Alright guys, I'm going to continue walking through this busy Dubai street and shops. Let's see what we can find tonight. I'm going to keep recording, see you guys soon again. Exactly how the camera perform in the real condition. No studio, no perfect lighting, just a normal evening in Dubai. A busy street, lots of people, car, lights, and my DJI Pocket 4 and me. So let's keep exploring guys. And again, let me know in the comment what you think about the quality. Would you use the camera for your travel video? And what would you like to test next? Maybe the night walk somewhere else in Dubai, maybe a shopping mall, maybe a full day, a blog. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching the Solo Traveler. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave the comment below. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Until the next, keep exploring and keep moving your memories. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. See you in the next video.